So hello everyone and welcome back to the another streak of day 174 and I know मैंने yesterday का question upload नहीं किया day 173 का but as you all know यार मैं पूरे week travel कर रहा हूँ this time तो but seeing the today's question I cannot control myself to make a video on it because it's a very simple and they have given in a medium category question. So let us see, and I hope that you guys were able to solve this question by yourself with the minimum time, because if you have been following this streak, then this type of question has come multiple times, right? It's again a variation of very standard problem, that is the balanced parenthesis, right? So let us read the question without any further wasting any further time, and we'll do complete this video in 5 to 6 or 7 minutes, maybe max to max. So if you have read the question, it is saying that you have a ball with the particular color and radius of each and every ball. So you have to remove the consecutive balls if those consecutive balls are the same color and size, right? And then you have to return that how many balls are uh, remained remaining, right? So you can see for this first entry, the color is 2, the color is 2 and the radius is 3, right? Similarly for the second ball, the same color is there, so you need to remove these two consecutive balls, right? And then you'll be having only this third ball, that is 5 and 4, and that is what written in the explanation, right? Similarly for this case, this 3 5, the second entry and the third entry exactly matches, so we'll remove both the entries and then the array will be converted into this 1 2, and then the second entry will be the one color and the 2 radius. Then again it will match and we will remove those consecutive ones, and uh, the total array size will be 0, right? So that's the number of remaining balls, right? So ये बहुत basic question है, right? I'm again saying that I hope that you guys were able to do this as well. ठीक है, तो हमें कुछ नहीं करना होगा यार, हम एक यहाँ पे एक स्टैक लेंगे, ठीक है? सबसे पहली बात स्टैक क्यों लेंगे यार, बिकॉज कि देखो यार, हम लेट्स से वी वर एट दिस पॉइंट, राइट, एंड आई नीड टू कंपेयर कि उसके बगल वाला पॉइंट सेम है या नहीं, तो एक सिंपल एरे ट्रैवर्सल से भी कर सकते थे, राइट? बट देन अगेन अगर केस ऐसा हो, फॉर द केस विच इज द सेकंड केस, जहाँ पे फर्स्ट एंट्री इज नॉट मैचिंग विद द सेकंड बट द सेकंड इज मैचिंग विद द थर्ड, राइट? So we need such a data structure that while we are putting the elements, it is able to compare with the exact previous elements, right? तो हमें इसके लिए स्टैक यूज करना होगा, राइट? बिकॉज उसी में हम क्या कर सकते हैं कि जैसे कोई एलिमेंट लेट्स से पुट किया x, तो फॉर द नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट्स आई कैन कंपेयर इट विद द प्रीवियस एग्जैक्ट प्रीवियस एलिमेंट यूजिंग द स्टैक डॉट पीक फंक्शन, ठीक है? तो हम बट हियर द एंट्रीज आर टू, राइट? कि हम x और y पुट कर दिया, हमें ऐसे नहीं करना है, हमें कुछ दो इंटीजर्स एक साथ पुश करने पड़ेंगे, राइट? सो हमें एक अलग से एक डेटा स्ट्रक्चर बनाना पड़ेगा, दैट इज लेट्स से क्लास पेयर, जिसके पास दो चीज़ें होंगी, लाइक लेट्स से इंट a एंड इंट b, राइट? ठीक है, फिर हम यहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्टर इनिशियलाइजेशन जो होता है वो कर लेंगे, और वो करने के बाद हम यहाँ पे डिक्लेयर कर देंगे. सो दैट्स द अदर थिंग, राइट? हम एक पेयर बना लेंगे जिसमें एक ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर जिसमें दो इंटीजर्स वो केपेबल करेगा स्टोर करने का, राइट? देन वी विल पुश a comma b and this a comma b is nothing but 2 comma 3, right? The next entry will come again for 2 comma 3 and we'll check that if this entry collides with the exact element present in the stack, that is the stack dot p, तो हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे, हम उसे पॉप कर देंगे, right? And we'll move ahead with the next entry, and the next entry will be of 5 comma 4. So we will see that the stack is empty, right? So there is no peak element there, so we will push the element and then at last we will return the stack size, right? Let us dry run for a few more test cases and then we will jump onto the coding section, right? So let us take this case, or what is that, 1331 and 2552. So the 1331, 255 and 2, okay? So we'll make a fresh stack here, right? So don't mind my drawing and handwriting. So the first element will come 1 comma 3 and it will see that the stack is empty, so it will get pushed in the stack. The second entry will come and it will see that the current pair is 3 comma 5, and then it does not matches with the stack dot peak, so it will again get pushed. The third entry will come 3 comma 5 and we will see that it matches with the exact above element of the stack, or exact top element of the stack. We can check this using this. If stack is not empty, if stack not empty, I'm writing in terms of pseudocode, and on and what current pair, my current pair is equals to what, st dot peak, right? I'm just writing the pseudocode. If that's the case, then you do not have to do anything, just you pop the current element and then move ahead, right? And in the else cases, if that's not the case, right, then what you need to do is then you push the current element into the stack, right? I'm again saying don't mind my handwriting, right? Just try to bear with the logic, use your pen and paper. Okay, so 3 comma 5 and then the next element will come 1 comma 2, and this is popped out, right? So 1 comma 2 will not match with 1 comma 3 and then it will be pushed again 1 comma 2, and okay, so it was 1 comma 2, right? So it will match with the top element of 1 comma 2, it will not get pushed, this element will come out, and then your stack will be empty. So we'll return the stack a size which is 0, right? So that is it. So iska code I have already showed you. You just need to make a stack. The first step is to make a pair, then the second step is to make a stack, right? Then the third step is to use a for loop for each and every element in the array, and then use these two if and else statement, right? That would be your entire pseudocode. Please pause this video for maybe 2 minutes from your end. It should not take you 2 minutes to code the solution and then proceed ahead. Meanwhile, I'm also stopping the video and then resume with the coding section. So you can clearly see the step 1 was to make a pair, second step is to make a stack, third step is to iterate for each and every element, and we are checking if the stack is not empty, then the peak element, right? The entry has two elements, right? So for each and every entry, we are accessing it using the dot operator, which we access using in Java. So if the first element is equals to my current element, my color element, and then the second element of the pair is equals to the radius element, then we need to pop it out exactly we showed in the dry run, and then else in the else case you just need to make a new pair and push the current entries, and at last we just have to return the stack.size. So let us hit the submit button, and while it is submitting, let us discuss the constraint as well. So it is 10 power 5 and our solution is in O of n, right? Because we are strictly using a O of n for loop, right? So it will definitely get submitted, which is less than, because it is less than 10 power 8, and the space complexity will be again it would be again O of n, right? So that is it for today's video. Let me show you the C++ code as well. Okay, so that's the C++ code, right? I will not hit the submit button because it will then get updated in my DSA repository. So I will for this C++ code, you can clearly see it, and also I will mention the source code in the description. So till then, keep learning, keep growing, bye bye, and take care. And one last thing that we will not, I will not skip the yesterday's video, right? So maybe on Sunday or Monday we will be back on our streak, and I will upload each and every video. As of now, only one video is left for the tomorrow's POTD. I will upload that one, and then I guess we'll be on a good pace. So till then, bye bye, take care, keep learning, and keep growing. Bye bye.